Did you know, potato chips were invented because of an angry customer? In 1853, a customer at a restaurant kept complaining that his French fries were too thick and soggy. The chef, George Crumb, got frustrated. So he sliced the potatoes paper thin, fried them until extra crispy, and added tons of salt, just to annoy the customer. But something unexpected happened. The customer loved them. And those crispy slices became the world's first potato chips. So one of the world's biggest snack foods was invented out of pure frustration.